In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Thrive discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Thrive discount promo code. As you can see right here, we have some websites and I suggest you go to simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, right here, if you want to get this one with 20% off your next order, all you need to do is select copy code from right here. And this is the discount promo code that you can copy and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that 20% discount. Also, going back to our main site right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, right here, if you want to get this promo code with 10% of discount, all you need to do right here is select show coupon code. And as you can see right here, there is no coupon code needed. All you need to do is tap on this button which says continue to this offer, and you'll be redirected to their website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.